Hey everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Okay, so it's Monday night here and I just got done teaching Daughters of Grace. So I am still working in my master closet. Well, I'm working in my bedroom, right? I still have a lot of stuff going on, right? I've got some stuff over here that I got to deal with. I got some stuff over here that I have to deal with, right? So we can hide all kinds of things when you put the camera up here. But it's all method to the madness. I added in the dresser here. And so I have put all of the clothes that were in the small dresser in my closet in here. And I still have one extra drawer and then another drawer. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling out that one dresser that's in my closet to hopefully, prayerfully make some more space in my closet for my hanging clothes. So I'm going to take you into my closet and let you see what it looks like now, and also for shoes. So we're going to move into the closet and show you what it looks like. The kids are in here to help. We're going to take a picture of the dresser and see if anybody wants it on a community group. And if we're able to get rid of it, it's perfect. If not, we will take it to the Goodwill whenever we can get it over there. Okay, so here's the closet chaos, right? So again, I'm going to go through some of those clothes. One thing I don't want are clothes on this side of because it just makes my light very dim. I'm actually going to change out that light and get a chandelier. So I'm going to be going through there, but I'm going to move this closet out, try to find a solution for these shoes. And then these are just some clothes that I need to put up that got folded today in the laundry. So I've got shoes here, which that works out pretty good. However, I don't have enough space because I still have all of those shoes on the floor. We're not even going to talk about this other closet over here that has purses and all the things. That's going to be that's a whole nother level of not today. Okay, so for today, what we're doing is we're going to pull out this dresser, all the things here, and then the kids and I are going to get started. You're listening to Mom? I can't hear a thing you say. What listening to? I was listening to music. Okay. Go back one more back. Yeah, that one. Okay. That's what I was listening to.
In heaven, this little girl came up to me.
All right, y'all. So here's what we're looking at, right? I got my shoes that were over here, moved here. These are just bedroom shoes. These are Goodwill shoes, right? Still got that one there. Yeah. We moved this shoe shelf over. And then now this is what my closet looks like. We've gotten rid of probably 2/3 of the closet and kept a third. I still have jeans. All my jeans are now in the drawer. So that decreased some. So I just got to fix a couple of those hangers. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. And we do have, these are some longer ones. We just shoved them on top of the shelf so it wasn't spilling over. But that truly is all that we have, and those are all the hangers that we got rid of. So quite a lot of hangers. The room is still a wreck. So this is all the laundry that now has to be put on hangers of things we're keeping. And then tomorrow I will deal with this pile. So I am a Cricket, and Crickets pile until they're ready to deal. And it is almost 10 o'clock. So I'm gonna deal with that tomorrow when I have a little more time. Tonight, it was just focusing on the clothes and the closet. So we're doing really good. This is the last of it. We got rid of a big bag. It's a huge bag, right? Of Goodwill things. And then we threw a couple things away. So that's what the kids and I are working on now. We're getting the hangers, the clothes that came out of the laundry today on hangers. I do declutter my closet quite a lot because I shop at Goodwill a lot. And when I'm in that shopping season. If I'm not in a shopping spirit, I don't shop a lot. But if I'm feeling like it, then I will shop there quite a lot. These are the gowns for the ball. So I'm going to do a whole separate vlog on the ball. I'm not going to add that in. But I think for now, I am going to bring them just in this closet so that they're not in the main bedroom. I have picked the one that I'm going to wear. Now I have to get my accessories because I don't have those yet. But the kids are helping me to... Jackson, do you... What kind of hanging... Lord have mercy. In Jesus' name. What kind of hanging you got going on? Okay. Evidently you ain't got it right, but whatever. So I have picked the gown that I'm going to wear. Thank you all so much for your thoughts on which one would work best. And, yeah, we'll show you the final reveal. I haven't figured out my jewelry, but I did buy this, jewelry holder. I got that at Burke's. And it has 40 pockets, I think. So that'll be enough to hold all my earrings and different things like that. But we're going to get these clothes put up on the shelf, and then we will let you guys see when we are done. Okay, bed's done. Bed's made. I did bring my exercise bike back in here. That way I can get some exercise in for the day. I'm making some changes. You'll hear about those on Wednesday when I do my grocery budget. That tripod can go. I moved my jewelry pieces over here so that I could put a charging station. So this is where I'm going to put my Apple Watch and my earbud instead of behind the bed back there because it's hard for me to get to it. And then all I have left to do tomorrow is this. So I'm leaving this here because I don't have time. Right now it's 10:25 and I got to work tomorrow and I'm teaching. So all of that is going to be dealt with tomorrow. But for right now, the room is good. I did move the file cabinet and the printer. I actually put it in that little corner because even with the wheels off, it's still too tall to fit underneath of this thing right here. So that's perfect. My desk is clean. For the meantime, these can go, Bubba. That's another video I'm doing. But again, here is the closet all done. All the clothes. We just put a few in there. A few extras in there. My children don't fully know how I operate. I don't like hangers that lean crazy. It just takes one little thing to do that, right? Shoes. And then I put the ball gowns in there just to have a place to hang it, which is perfect. Not the best system, or not the system everybody would have. But I did see Angela Braniff today. She was doing CR's closet makeover, and I thought it looked really good. So we all have to, make whatever work for us. It's hot. I got a tank top on. Y'all, it's hot in here. It's hot in the house, but it's cold outside today. So anywho, there it is, you guys. We got fan going because I'm hot. Probably having a personal summer, y'all pray. Anyway, there it is, you guys. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.